be documenting my trading journey to hold myself accountable, and of course the end goal is such that I earn enough from trading to actually quit my full-time job. So today I'll be going through the trade of the week that I took, which is the Euro Yen. So when I first identified the trade, I posted into my Discord community, which we have a competition. I mean, everyone can post like trades you see have the highest probability of win, and at the end of it, so the moderators will actually trade those trades that we put up, and the pot will grow, and the winner for that month will get to keep the pot. So I posted this Euro Yen, and when I identified it, so as you can see from here, I identified trade on the 4-hour, and if we look at this, there was a serious resistance around here and here, which meant that if the candle closes above this line of resistance, that would mean that it is pretty bullish. So the reason behind the trade would be strong level of resistance that it's gonna break. And if we look at the overall trend over here, which can look your daily or weekly, it's actually on the upside. And if you look at the moving averages, I have the 20, 50 EMA and the 200 moving average. They are all pointing upwards, so this will be acting as dynamic support for trade. So when the resistance broke over here and the candle closed, that's when I place a pending order to long the trade. So where exactly did I place the pending order, which was this red candle over here at the price of 129.6 watt there, with a stop loss under the previous swing, which is over here, and the take profit all the way up here. However, I did note that there will be some issues getting through this zone, because this was previous resistance, as you can see from the 2 weeks, and it did find some trouble over here as seen from these candles, but luckily there was bullish momentum that managed to push this trade up all the way to my take profit level of 130.3, which is where a little under where previous resistance was, and it eventually hit my take profit level, and and I won in that trade. So as you can see over here, this was what I did. Stop loss was over here, take profit, and this was my entry. So this was about 68-69 pip win